Ray's Repair Zone. We're going to show you how to check a thermostat to see if it's opening properly at the right temperature. I've got a candy thermometer here. This one opens up at 90 degrees Celsius, or what is it, 190 degrees Fahrenheit. So you put it in your thermostat, your questionable thermostat, you put it in a pot of water and you just boil it and watch the temperature. Right now we're 80 degrees Celsius and it's still closed. You can see the there's an inner ring. You don't want to touch that inner ring there. You watch in there and you'll see it'll open up once it reaches temperature, and if it doesn't, then it's sticking closed, and if it opens too soon, then it's no good. Either way, it's no good. So we're at 85. We're just about there, 90 degrees, and it's still not open. You'll see it open. And I guess if you don't have a thermostat or thermometer, what are we at here? A little bit over 80 still. I guess if you don't have a thermometer, you could just put it in the water, and if it's boiling and it hasn't opened, then that means your thermostat is faulty. And if it opens up way too soon before it boils, it looks like it's starting to open up there. But if it opened up too soon before it boils, then it's also no good. Okay, it should be opening up here, yep. You can see that it's opening up. We're at a little over 90 degrees, so you see that center part, it's opening now. You'll see it'll be fully open pretty soon. Then I'll shut the heat off. This is for my little Volkswagen Jetta. It's been freezing me out. So this is another thermostat I thought I'd check before I put it in. And obviously you can see the space around there, the light. Stick my finger in there, but you can see the light right. Where's my finger? I can't even see there. Right about the. Ooh, it's hot. But you can see it is open. So I think I'm going to put this one in. My little Jetta, when it's cold out here, it's minus 27 Celsius, and it's not heating up at all. So hopefully this will do the trick. What are we at here? 95 degrees. So yeah, I think I'll put this one in. You can see that it's opened up quite a bit now. That's all you gotta do. Once this water cools off, just make sure that the thermostat closes and you know it's working properly. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you learned something today. See you again.